we have to solve this. You guys, we're focusing here. Thank you. All eyes are up here. Jace, thank you. So we're focusing. All right, so we're going to multiply this. 5 times 9 is what?
40.
Everybody.
45.
45. Okay. There we go. So now it says we need to draw a representation of this. And actually, it tells us to draw a representation of all of these problems. And I didn't realize
And I did that.
Huh?
And I did that. And
You're
now my hand hurts.
fantastic. But here's what I needed you, and I didn't think about it until much, much later. I should have said, pick one, draw a representation of one out of A, B, or C. And then one out of A, B, or C, one out of A, B, or C, one out of A, B, or C. Then you're fantastic, and I appreciate you. So here's what we're going to do. So if I draw a representation of this, the first thing I need to do, obviously, is draw a box, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw a box. Okay, so I've got a box. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do columns. Yes, sir? Hang on. I know you know how to do it. The next thing I'm going to do is columns. Columns go up and down. It's the easiest way to remember. Columns go up and down. All right? So if I have columns, I'm going to need how many columns? Okay, not right now. How many columns? You can tell me after. How many columns? Kason, how many columns? How many lines am I going to draw? No. It will actually be 4. That will give us 5. It'll give us 5 columns.
Because the 2 lines on the end.
Oh,
Okay. Wait, my bad.
That's okay.
4.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So I have 5 columns. How many do I have?
5.
How many?
5.
Okay, so it's split in, and remember, this is a whole piece. Let me do this underneath. Oh, that was pretty. I'm going to do this underneath. Look like this. So I have, this is a whole piece, correct?
Yes.
Okay, it is a whole piece. Jason, need your face up here, okay? Okay, it is a whole piece. Okay? This is also going to be a whole piece. All right? Does everybody understand that? It is one block, and we're taking that one block and we're cutting it apart into little bitty pieces. Okay, so before I do anything else, I'm going to color in that one little split right there, that 1/5. And I'm going to color it. I'm going to color. Just one of you get it, okay? And I'm going to color that right here, okay?
There is a way to pause it.
Okay, like this. What hurts? Do you need to eat? Did you eat breakfast? That's probably it.
Why did the second graders and below get second breakfast, but we don't?
What?
Because they're little kids.
I don't know. I can give you, I don't know if I have snacks actually.
You can pick
Okay.
Yeah, you do. You can pick both.
Your bucket.
I don't have,
That's
oh, I forgot that was,
There, Leon.
those are blocks up there.
Leon, you can get
Those?
some out of that.
Yeah,
Those are.
blocks. Fraction tiles.
You want to eat some block?
What happened
Hey,
to the snack?
they're gone.
My bad.
Okay, now I'm going to cut this into what? Come back to me. Cut it into what? Ashton.
8.
8, and I'll have how many rows? I'll have how many?
You would have 9 rows, but you cut it 8 times.
I'm going to cut it 8 times to give me 9 rows. Good. Nice job. Okay. And I always wind up doing this wrong. 1, 2,
Those are very thin ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more. Look at me go. 9. Okay, it's a little wonky. Okay, so I have 9. I have 9 rows. Okay, so it is split into 1, over 9, right? That is 1 over 5. Does everybody see that?
Wait.
Now I'm going to do what?
I don't know.
Hang on 1 second, I might answer it, okay? What am I going to do next, Ava? I've already shaded the 1/5, but what do I shade next? Of well, so can I shade it over here? No. Where am I shading it? Why? Okay. But what part of it, what, you're on the right track. Leland, help her out. Did you have a mouthful of pretzel?
So you shade in 1 to 9 at the top
Okay, why?
because that's a part of the 5th,
Okay. And
then you
both of you are right, but I need a little bit more of it. A little bit more of it. Because it is, Ashton,
because it's like the first one, and it's like I think it's because since it's like it's already stripped.
but what if I did it here? Would that be wrong?
Not necessarily, but say like if somebody ate a piece and somebody took a piece of their food, it's kind of like they took that top piece and they have that they have left because they had to share. I know why.
Why?
Just full of pretzels.
Ooh. You're like, I know why now. Let me put more pretzels in my mouth. Okay.
So if all the rest of it, like the white, is eaten already, and the shaded part is the leftover, and then they eat the blue part.
Okay. So it is technically 1/9 of 1/5. Okay? Okay, what about?
Wait, no, we're doing because I said yesterday.
Okay. Alright, yep, you just lay it over the top. It's just laid over the top of it. Any other questions about that one? If you don't have it written down, write it down. Make sure it's in there. Any more questions about 1 through 5?
No.
Oh, I
That was-
already did that.
That was 1 through 5.
Wait.
Ava, that was 4C.
Do you want me to keep going?
If we're only supposed to shade that top corner, then why just shade that whole line?
To show the
To show that it is 1/5, and then only 1/9 of that 1/5 is shaded. Okay? Good question. Yes?
So it's like, if we did a split of the 1/5, and somebody took a 1/9 from it,
If I have a strip that is 1/5 and somebody has taken 1/9 of a bite of it, yes. All right. Okay, let's take a look, since nobody else has any questions on 1 through 5.
do we have to write one of these for all of them?
Yes. Okay, I wonder where, I just had 6 through 10. Avery,
I have a question on 8.
8. All right,
I
that's a good question.
This question for me this morning, but I'm doing it for other people.
Okay, I'm gonna erase this.
oh, goodbye. Oh. Give me my pencil.
Okay, so So number 8, a student says 1/2 of 1/8, or by 1/2 by 1/8, or times 1/8 is larger than 1/2 by 1/4 because 8 is larger than 4. Okay. You guys are like, oh, yes. Okay. First thing it says is A, find both products. Okay, draw a stick.
Okay. Secret.
Secret. What number am I on, sweetie? Do we know?
8.
Oh, you are listening. Okay, so if it says find both products, okay, 1/2 times 1/8. Remember, a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. 1/2 times 1/8 is 1/16.
And the second one, 1/8.
Okay, hey, listen. Okay? So, listen please. We can do this a couple of ways. First of all, if we go take a look at the fraction line. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen please. I have 1/16 and 1/8. Okay, if you have fraction strips, this is an easy way to tell. 1/8 is definitely bigger than 1/16. However,
I don't want.
that's not how they're wanting you to find it. They're wanting you to find it by drawing a diagram, right? I know, it's just awful. And you know that's gonna, okay, let him in. Ooh, that is salty. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do,
He doesn't have the lead. Do you want me to go get my extra water bottle on my backpack?
it's totally on you. Are you recording that? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic.
Can you edit the video?
I don't know how.
I can do it.
Just hold it. Okay, just leave it. All right, listen. So I'm going to split this. Hey, listen, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split it how? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split it how, Avery?
Okay, so
Split it half. I'm going to split it how? In half. Okay, so I'm going to make one line like this. Okay, so it's half. The next one I'm going to do is what? Split it how? Ashton?
By 8.
8, so I'm going to have 7 lines. Okay? All right.
Is Leon coming?
He's eating. I think that's part of it.
No, he's eating.
He's good. Okay. 1/8 times 1/2. Okay, so I have 1/8 and I should have done that across. First. Oops. All right, here we go. So 1/2 by 1/8. Right? Does everybody see that? Jace,
Yes.
see that dude? Like go over there. Just you don't have to like stand right where you're at, but just kind of go around behind Secret so I know that you're awake then. So I have 1/2 by 1/8, and that gives me 1/16. Right? Okay, now the next one I'm going to do is 1/2 by 1/4. And again, I'm going to cut it by 1/2. I should have done it straight down that way, shouldn't I? Sorry.
I didn't have a clue what you just said.
Huh?
I do not have a clue what you just said.
That's okay. 1/2. And then I'm gonna cut it into fourths, okay? And that gives me 1/8. So there is a visual representation, Avery. Thank you, turn around. You were the one with the question on this one,
I already answered it though.
but you were the one that asked about it, so.
Why are we saying though so much? She said it so that other people can
Okay.
understand it.
Alright, so, anyway, so this shows why 1/8 is larger than 1/16. Correct?
Yeah.
Does that make more sense?
Yeah.
Alright. That was 8.
It's literally
When you are dealing with fractions, please listen. The smaller the number on the bottom, the larger your fraction. Okay? The smaller the number on the bottom,
the larger the
the larger the fraction. I know, I heard it. So if you have 1/32, so if it's 1 over 32, that is going to be half the size of this. Okay? It's going to be small. Okay, but if you have 1/2, it's going to be larger than 1 over 32. Okay?
The number 32 is big.
And it takes me the longest time to try and figure that out sometimes. All right, I'm not gonna lie, because my brain doesn't always work that way. You think, oh, big number, big fraction. Not necessarily.
No.
Okay? So, anybody else have a question on 6 through 10?
No.
Okay? How about 13 or 14? What is a factor? Somebody tell me what a factor is.
A factor.
What is a factor?
A factor is like a number.
Is like a number or is a number?
Is a number
Is a number
that
that does what?
it grows a product.
That what?
It grows a product.
It grows a product? Two factors multiplied together give you a product. Yes.
Yeah.
Factors are two numbers, are the two numbers in a multiplication problem.
Grows is
Okay. I like grows, that was pretty good. Okay, so if I have these two numbers, that's what it's asking for. It only has a little square box on there, but that's okay. Do you have a question?
I don't know what it's gonna
Okay, so tell me what it is. Why?
Because if you have 1 times 1, it would equal 1. If you have 2 times 5, it would be 10.
Yes, that's all it is. You are decomposing that.
But there's only
Take-
one box.
breaking
That's
it
why
apart.
I just said. I said there's only one box there. Is that what confused you, was the one box?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, like there's boxes there.
I know, and that's just,
No boxes.
okay, so next time I'll just make sure that there's either one box or no boxes or something. I'll just
I
say,
just
put
put
it,
it. I just put the answer at the end.
okay.
All
So
I
it's
do is
1/5.
rewrite
Does
them.
everybody understand that?
That makes more sense to just rewrite them, right?
So do I need to do the second part?
Yes. I think I know that one.
Okay, so,
And the second part.
so that was a B is blank.
I know.
So if I do this,
Okay, that
times
makes more sense.
1 over 7 equals 1 over 21.
Oh, I know it.
Tell ya, 1/3.
I know how, because 3 times 7, that equals 21. And
Or
1
you
times
can
1
do
equals
21 divided by 7 equals 3.
That also works.
Yep. Does everybody understand that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Take a look at 13 or 14. Does anybody have a question on 13 or 14? Anybody have a question on 13 or 14? Okay, if you,
What about like?
I apparently didn't put 11 or 12 in there.
Yeah, they got.
Yeah.
They got eaten.
So
They got eaten.
Whenever his sister, did he just do like half of 1/3?
Yeah.
They got eaten.
What?
like
Write a multiplication expression to represent the fraction of the whole pan that the sister ate, and find that fraction.
Oh, that's easier.
I solved this. I solved this.
Okay,
Yeah.
does everybody start understanding that a little bit more?
Yeah.
Here's what I want you to do. If you have not finished your homework, you have until the end to get it done. If you have finished, you may get on iReady Math.
I thought the diagnostic was on there.
Oh, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
No.
Pause.
Can we get on Tidy Club?